Have you already found your sources, taken notes, started writing your paper, and now your teacher says it has to be formatted in MLA? Well, this video will show you how. Start with your 4-line heading at the top left. Be sure to use the MLA format for the date. Enter your title and center using the icon on the ribbon. Then go down a line, back to the left, tab, and that's where your body will start. Now we need to get the line spacing right. Press Ctrl-A, and on the ribbon, click the small diagonal arrow to the right of the word paragraph. And set the before and after spacing to 0 and the line spacing to double. Then click OK. Also, set your font to Times New Roman, size 12. Now we're ready to put in the header. Double-click at the top of the page, go to Page Number, plain number 3, top of page. Type your last name followed by a space. Highlight this and also go back to Home and change to Times New Roman, size 12. Double-click in the body of your paper to get out of the header area. Now, after where your body starts, press Ctrl-Enter to get on a new page. Again, using the ribbon icon, go to the center and type Works Cited. Press Enter and go back to the left using the ribbon. And then go get any source citations that you've saved in another document. Copy those, come to your Works Cited page and paste. Now we need to look them over for anything that may need to be changed. Let's first redo those settings, before and after spacing at 0 and line spacing at double. Also, I need Times New Roman size 12. Okay, on this first one, I need hanging indent, so I click at the beginning and press Ctrl-T. I also see that there's a question mark and a period at the end of the article name. I'll remove the period. I italicize the name of the source that the article was found in. And I'm not sure about those two numbers with the decimal between them, so I look at the MLA 7th edition guide to see if I can find that as a proper format. And here it is under Academic Journal Article, volume.issue. So I'll leave that alone. I also need to italicize the name of the database, which comes just before web. And now I'm on my next source, which I bring to the left margin by pressing backspace from the beginning. Use Ctrl-T to get my hanging indent. And I see the title does not have proper capitalization, so I use the tool on the ribbon to capitalize each word. But then I need to go back and lowercase for and of. Now I go to a draft I've been working on and I copy and paste into the body. On the clipboard, I click the A to retain the line spacing and font settings that I've already set up. I look over my work to make sure I've got in-text citations for all my quotes and paraphrases. For quotes from print sources, I must have page numbers, and when available, I should include those for electronic sources as well. Pay particular attention to the location of the quotation mark, parentheses, and period at the end of each quote. I go to take a final look at my Works Cited page, and I realize that my entries need to be in alphabetic order. So I highlight the entries and click A to Z on the ribbon to automatically alphabetize. Finally, I remember to save my work. I go to the folder where I've been storing resources for this project, and I add MLA to the end of this file name so I remember it's the formatted version of my paper.